Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to remove someone from best friend on Snapchat without deleting them. For this you have two ways. The first way is stop sending the snaps to that friend, and after a few days or maybe a week the Snapchat will remove that friend from your best friend. The second way is open your Snapchat app. After it opens, simply go to your Snapchat messages. Now I will show you my best friend on Snapchat by tapping on this emoji icon. So as you see, she is my best friend on Snapchat. So if you want to remove this without deleting, then you have a way. The way is remember the username of this person, and after remembering the username, tap and hold and tap on the option manage friendship, and then tap on the option remove friend. When you will tap on remove friend, then the Snapchat will remove this friend from your friend list. And simply after removing, go to the search bar icon and write here the same username of the person and add him back. So by this way you can remove your best friend from your friend list without deleting.